Hello, Will here. Big shout out to Wesley Virgin and Ariella for helping me out with the Done For You service, which I purchased about 2 weeks ago. And I had it set up last Monday, and for this Monday I have $500 in profits, and I just can't wait to see what the future brings. Thank you so much for helping me out. They set up my platform and they helped me get my first sale, and from there things just kind of kept on rolling, and I just want to thank them so much, and all praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. I wish every one of you out there who's going through this journey good luck, and keep going and don't give up. If you need help, Ariella and Wesley Virgin and their teams, they'll help you out if you need. Don't be afraid to ask questions. So thank you so much, and let's go!
Hey guys, Kayla here. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Wes and Ariella for the Done For You service program. It's really helped me just get started on online affiliate marketing because I didn't know where to start. So it's just a really good program for beginners to see if you want to learn how to do online affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you my Digistore account. I started 7 days ago, and I want to show you what I've made so far in 7 days. That's my Digistore account, and so far I've made $224. So I highly recommend following his program. Follow everything that they do. So Wes and Ariella, thank you for what you do, and I'll see you guys later.